I ordered this Samsung 65-watt power adapter trio from Samsung website directly. It just arrived yesterday, and this is my mom's phone, Samsung Galaxy A53G. We ordered this together, but the phone came first. This thing came about 3 weeks later. We're gonna open this guy up and use it for the first time. Okay. Out from the box. All right. Wow, you really need two hands to get this thing out from this guy. It's out. By the way, this is a USA version. There's three charging outlet here. You got the 65 watts and the 25 watts and the 15 watts. This is the old style. Now this guy doesn't come with any cable at all, charging cable, but her phone does. It came with this USB-C. Let's charge it. Okay, I got the cable connected to the phone. This is USA. So her phone is maximum 25 watts, capable of doing 25 watt, and that's what we're going to put it on. There it is. Yeah, her phone is already fully charged. I should have waited until it was like down to 50% or something. But anyway, I don't know what would happen if she accidentally connected to the 65 watts. Well, let's find out. It's not my phone. I know it's gonna happen. I think nothing's gonna happen. It's just that it's not gonna draw maximum. Yeah. So, yeah, the phone's still there. 100% charge. Okay, I'm gonna put it back to for her. The 25 watts. That's it. The bad thing about this thing is so bulky. If you put it on the top, you're not gonna have access to this guy. So, yeah. At least you still have access to that guy on top.